Hi guys! There's a specific kind of frustration, you know the one. You wash your face every single day, you cleanse, you tone, maybe you even have a whole routine going, but when you look in the mirror up close the texture is still there. The congestion hasn't moved. The pores look just as packed as yesterday. That feeling? You're not alone in it, and more importantly, you're not doing anything wrong. You just haven't been shown the right way to go deep yet. This video is that, a real, thorough, gentle, deep pore cleaning. The kind your skin will actually remember. Stay until the end because there's one step most people skip that makes everything else work twice as well. The real reason it keeps coming back. Here's what's actually happening inside your pores. Every single day, your skin produces oil, sebum, and it mixes with tiny bits of dead skin, makeup residue, and whatever the air carries. That mixture slowly settles into your pores. You cleanse the surface. But the deeper accumulation, it just gets pressed down a little further, and a little further, until the pore walls actually stretch around it. That's why blackheads come back even after you've removed them. That's why your texture feels uneven, even on days when you think your skin looks okay. You've been cleaning the surface. What your skin needs, what it's quietly asking for, is a proper, patient, deep clean. And today, that's exactly what we're going to do. What deep pore cleaning actually means, let's clear something up. Deep cleaning doesn't mean harsh. It doesn't mean scrubbing harder or using a stronger product. It means working in layers. First softening, then dissolving, then gently lifting, so that the congestion comes out without taking your skin barrier with it. Think of your pores like a narrow pipe. You don't blast a blocked pipe with pressure. You loosen what's inside and let it flow out naturally. That patience, that layered approach is what makes the difference between a deep clean that actually works and one that just irritates. We're going to work with your skin today, not against it. Before you begin, prepare gently, set your space up. You want warm lighting, clean hands, and a clean face. Nothing on it. If you wear makeup, do a quick oil cleanse first to clear the surface. Then we begin. Step 1 of preparation is warmth. Run a soft face cloth under warm water, not hot, just comfortably warm, and hold it gently against your face for 60 to 90 seconds. Press it to your nose, your cheeks, your chin. Let the warmth do what warmth does. Relax everything. The fibers around your pores actually soften at this stage. They become cooperative. If you have a facial steamer, use it on the lowest setting, about 2 minutes from a safe distance. The goal is gentle heat, not discomfort. If your skin turns red, you're too close. This single step is what separates a surface cleanse from a deep one. Don't rush past it. The deep clean sequence, step by step. Now we go through the sequence. Each step builds on the last. Follow this order and your skin will respond in a way a basic face wash never could. Enzyme or AHA cleanse. Use a gentle enzyme or lactic acid cleanser, something that works as it sits on the skin. Apply to a damp base and let it rest for 30 seconds before working it in. These formulas dissolve the bonds between dead skin cells, which means by the time you rinse, a full layer of surface debris is already loosened. You'll notice your skin feels different just from this one step. Soft lather shown in slow motion. Gentle circular motion on nose and cheeks. Salicylic acid treatment. This is the deepest working step in the entire routine. Salicylic acid, a beta-hydroxy acid, is oil-soluble. That means it doesn't stay on the surface. It travels down into the pore itself and dissolves the sebum plug from within. Apply a 1-2% salicylic acid serum or toner to congested areas, nose, forehead, chin. Don't rub it. Press it in with fingertips and let it sit undisturbed for a full minute. You might feel a very mild tingle. That's it working. Serum drop held on fingertip, caught by macro lens. Slow application pressed to nose bridge. Ultra satisfying. Gentle extraction. Only if ready after the acid has had time to work. Some blackheads will be close to the surface and ready to release. Wrap your ring fingers in clean tissue and apply slow, even pressure from both sides of the pore. Never from above, always from beside. A ready blackhead will release easily. You'll feel almost nothing. That smooth, effortless give. That's what we're after. Anything that resists, leave it. It simply needs more time. And next session, it will qualm out just as easily, satisfying clean extraction footage. No redness, no trauma. Ambient quiet, ASMR tone. Purifying clay mask. Apply a thin, even layer of kaolin clay mask across the T-zone in any congested areas. Use a silicone brush or fingertips, whatever gives you that satisfying even coverage. Leave it for 8 minutes. Set a timer. You want it to dry to a soft mat, not crack and pull, which means it has stayed on too long and will begin stripping the barrier. At 8 minutes, remove with a damp, warm cloth using upward, lifting strokes. Feel that coolness as the clay comes away. Your pores will be visibly tighter and cleaner than when you started, sealing it all in. The final layer. After the mask comes off, your skin is clean, slightly open, and ready to absorb. This is the most important window in the entire routine, and most people waste it by doing nothing. Or worse, applying something irritating. Mist your face lightly with a hydrating toner, something with niacinamide, centella, or hyaluronic acid. Then apply a calming serum. Niacinamide at 5% is ideal right now. It tightens pores visually, reduces redness, and begins rebuilding surface sebum control. Follow it with a thin, barrier-supportive moisturizer. Ceramide-rich formulas are perfect here. They physically repair what we temporarily disrupted during extraction. No makeup tonight. No active ingredients. No retinol. No acids. Let your skin spend the night just recovering. In the morning, you'll understand why this step matters so much. What you do between deep cleans. Never skip your evening cleanse, even on tired nights. Especially on tired nights. Overnight is when congestion settles deepest. Use a low-strength BHA, 0.51% as a daily toner. It keeps pores gently clear between sessions without any irritation. SPF is non-negotiable. UV damage thickens skin walls and makes pores appear larger and more congested over time. Hydrate well internally. Dehydrated skin produces more oil to compensate, which leads to faster pore congestion. Water is a skincare step. Consistency between sessions is what makes each deep clean feel more effortless than the last. Your skin remembers what you give it. Thank you for watching.